Loneliness can make you feel invisible and forgotten. It can make you believe that no one understands what you're going through. But even in those quiet and painful moments, God is still present. He sees your heart, your struggles, and every silent prayer you whisper. Lord, please comfort the person viewing this right now. Wrap them in your love and remind them that they are never truly alone. You're always there. Fill their heart with peace and bring people into their life who will uplift and support them. You may feel alone right now, but God is always near.